So it's finally 2020 and you've decided that you're going to start a yoga practice. Kudos to you. But what rock have you been under for the past 15 years? Where have you been? Well, welcome to the party. Doing yoga classes online is great, but you're not gonna get that one-on-one adjustment that a teacher can provide for you. But I understand a studio is not accessible to everybody. You may be out in the middle of nowhere where you have internet and only access to YouTube. But I mean, honestly, you could type in yoga into a YouTube search and come up with a ton of awesome classes. So just because the teacher has their legs straight and can lock their hands past their foot doesn't mean that you're required to. So modify, bend the knee, don't catch onto your feet, don't lock the hands. I'm sure the teacher that you go to is going to give you a ton of awesome vital information, but modify like crazy to make it something that works for you. I have a beginner yoga class, but it's a little bit more on the advanced beginner side. Yoga with Adriene, I'll put a link there for you. She's got tons of beginner courses that you can go through and lots of classes explaining things. If you want to go a little bit deeper, Kino McGregor, her link will be here. She is also another awesome yoga teacher who breaks down certain postures and makes them really accessible to you. Right now, as a beginner, check for a beginner class. That's what they're there for. And those teachers are super jazzed about teaching beginners like you. So, no mistakes.